Using GAT Shield, you can control the websites your users have access to. This is done through the URL Access Control section. In this section, you will see three parts: the user URL categories, active URL access rules, and the system URL categories. We'll start off by explaining user URL categories. In this area, we can add our own custom categories for websites we wish to block or allow. I'll go ahead and select the Add a URL Category button. Next, I'll choose an appropriate name. In this case, I'd like to block access to social networks. I can then choose to either make this a whitelist or a blacklist. I'll leave it as a blacklist in this example since we wish to block these sites. You must then add a description. This is useful for letting other admins on your domain know why you created this category. And in the URLs area, you can manually input all the websites you want or do it from a web search. I'll choose manual and type in twitter.com and facebook.com. Alternatively, if I had selected manual web search, I would search for what I wanted to block and selected the sites from the results. Once you've saved a rule, you can select the arrow key to move your new category into the active URL access rules. In this window, you can choose the type of action that will take place. Since we want to block our users from accessing these sites, I will select block. In the blocking page area, you can input the address the user will be redirected to if they enter a blocked address. You can also add a warning message that will be displayed on the user screen. With time restriction, you can choose a range for when the rule will be active. In scope, you can pick what users, groups, or OUs will only be affected by the rule. You can also choose to only affect Chrome OS based devices. The final section is system URL categories. These are pre-made categories that we have created. You can click to view what sites are in these categories and make them active if you wish. Using the URL search button, you can see which categories a specific site is already in. Simply click the option, then create a filter. In the filter, I'll look for URL contains YouTube. After applying, I can now see every category that contains YouTube. Don't forget to go to our website to get a free 15-day trial of GAT+. If you enjoyed this how-to, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Make sure to turn on the bell so you never miss a video. And let us know in the comments what you'd like to see from us in the future. That concludes this GAT Shield how-to. Thank you for watching.